The following film is intended for mature audiences and contains adult content, graphic language, graphic violence, nudity, and strong sexual content. Viewer discretion is advised.
So I finished my makeup. This is what it turned out like. I still don't know if I want to do jewels. I have two colors. I have some iridescent ones and some like silver crystals. I don't know. I have to see like what my outfit turns out to be first because I have two options. But this is my natural hair. I don't know if y'all know, but I have like kind of curly hair. I don't know, it's really damaged right now, but like I said, I'm trying to take care of it. So I have this Aussie heat protector, and it says to like it's a spray. It says to like put it in like before. I have a whole bunch of clips that I don't really use. But I found them when I was cleaning my room, and really good quality. So I'm just gonna put my hair back while I pick out my outfit. I'm gonna show you my outfit too. The options that I picked out. But one's this black one, and it has like these silver straps, and it's this one like goes around your neck. And then I have this lavender one, and it has like a little butterfly right here. So I'm gonna try both on, and then I'll be back. So yeah, this shirt's from Rue 21. This jewelry is from, I don't know. And then I just have my hair straight, some glitter hoops, and then this shirt, like I said. And then some jeans. I was gonna wear these cute shorts because they are glittery and they match my whole outfit, but I didn't because they're too thoughty and the shirt's already thought enough. And then I'm just wearing these sandals. They're really cute. And yeah, I'll update y'all when they pick me up. So yeah. So we're in the car. Yeah. So you won't get copyrighted. You're live suicidal. Yeah. So I'll update y'all when we do something else, but we're in the car right now and more adventures to come. Woo! So we're here, kind of turn.
Hey, hold on.
So we're with video. You already know we're trying as fuck. So yeah, they cute as fuck too. So yeah, I'll put the socials and then let's go. Since you're already here, what's your socials?
My socials is misael.reyes22. 22, yeah, 22.
Oh God.
On Instagram, go add me on Instagram because I don't have Snapchat.
Add him. Yeah. We got Hype Man. Well, you're already in it. We're drunk at 6. Alright. So we're turned as fuck. Not really that turn. I'm 3 twisted in. No, I'm 4 twisted in. I get drunk at 5, so you already know where I'm at right now. But yeah, I guess it's gonna be a fight, and I'm gonna record it. World Star type shit. Hey guys! Hey! You already know. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. You know, if you don't, you're a fucking pussy. You're a loser, basically. You're a loser. Like, no life. That's fine. Like, what are you doing at this point? We're turning as fuck. I'm 4 twisted in, have a shot, and I'm lightweight. So yeah. Oh God, like, what are you doing right now? Like, don't hit Presley up. Don't hit me out for real, because like I'll probably get beat to the fucking ground if I can. Low-key, it's not a piece of talk shit. Bro, you can't even see us. Hold up. Bye, guys. So I don't even know Mexican music, but I was turned AF and I heard this song before, but I don't even understand shit it was saying, so this is kind of embarrassing. So I'm doing a voiceover, so you're just gonna hear my voice. So I look back and I see a track, finna pull this bitch.
420 right here.
Hey guys, so
we live.
We're
live
here.
at the 5, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Who that is?
Hey, listen, you want to get this shit shut down? I swear to God, I fucking get one call. I swear to God, everybody's on.
All right, nigga, we're trying to get fucked up. Where that fight at?
I swear to God.
Hey, what you say?
I swear to God, I'll get this shit shut down.
Get what shut down? What you talking about?
All right, babe, watch this.
I'm just saying, I can make one call like this whole block. I'm just saying.
Watch this. I'm trying to figure out.
Hey, bro.
Right here.
Yeah.
Hey, right here.
Hey, wait. What's your name?
No fuck. Real shit.
They don't want to punch, I guess.
Where they at, though?
They're not trying to punch. They're not trying to punch. 0.5.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, we record. We still live at the 5 for the last 420. For no reason, my nigga, I will hurt you out there. Hey, to that nigga inside, you better use them right, nigga.
Bro, y'all making this shit worse, man. Go over there.
I'm saying, we had our own little thing going over here. Go on over there unless y'all trying to punch. We still live at the 5. We still live at the 5. Look, you know what I'm saying? Bullshit, nigga. He is one-on-one, nigga. Nigga got brass knuckles for what? He ain't did shit with him. Hey, you ain't did shit with him. You still back there like a little bitch, nigga. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, you got no fucking drip, bro.
Bruh.
You got no drip.
Oh no, hold on. You have to hold this.
Hey, get the fuck in there. Get in there, Nate. This bitch, the fuck.
Fucking lit, nigga. I'm fucking, bro. Get this shit on me, nigga. I'm fucking lit, nigga.
I'm lit too, bitch. Who the fuck?
Cracking, nigga. You know how we do it.
Cracking.
We fuck up the city for fun, bro. We do this shit for fun.
We got Nate. We got
We had shit to do this week, and we just said, fuck it. We gonna start a
We
brawl.
trying to find a
We're gonna start a
punch.
brawl. For no reason. Just for fun.
For no reason. For fun.
We already did though. We lost 3-0.